folks, welcome back to BadWolfBobbi. If you're first time watching, welcome. Today I'm doing a seasonal closet declutter. I try to do this once a quarter, like seasonally. Yes, I have a lot of clothes. I like clothes. I also wear clothes. Everybody wears clothes, but like, we're not talking about how many clothes I have. But I'm going to go through and get rid of things, donate, you know. Alright, let's start. So when I went through my clothes at the beginning of summer, I got rid of a lot of dress pants because I haven't worn them in like 10 years and I didn't wear them yet again, so I got rid of one more pair. If you like declutter videos, give this video a big thumbs up.
Could I be dead? Or is it something I have done? Did I lead you on to think that I was gone? Trapped inside a fake reality. Better days will never come for me.
So I quickly decided that the t-shirts that I was going to keep, I would put on my hand and take in handfuls at a time back to the closet, and what I wasn't going to keep, I would take off hangers and put in a pile, and then maybes I would make a different pile, and then sweatshirts I would go through very last because I have a lot of sweatshirts. And I thought I grabbed all the dresses, but I didn't. Also, please subscribe to my channel.
The stains will always show. Trapped inside a fake reality. Better days will never come for me.
The long purple maxi dress from Amazon I'm about to pick up is amazing. I traveled in it all summer.
I'm trapped inside a fake reality. Better days will never come for me. Trapped inside a fake reality. Better days will never come for me. How can I be honest with myself when I'm always playing someone
You might wonder why I have so many sweatshirts, but in Texas it never really gets super cold to need a coat and a sweatshirt will suffice most of the time, and I just like sweatshirts. And I like tie-dye, as you can tell.
the great wide open. The clouds are gathering. Let's turn this car around. I would follow anybody. Hey, they will say.
On jeans, I kept quite a few. I got rid of one pair that I've had for a while, and I didn't think the fit was that flattering. But overall, I like most of my jeans, so I kept them.
Let's see what they'll do.
And here I am finally going through the maybe pile, where I got rid of even more, and I think I kept like maybe 3 out of the maybe pile. And I bagged everything up to take it off for donation. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe.